I'm going to better explain the specific needs of the child by using an example from my own family. All three of my children really struggled to get their ideas down on paper in a way that could get good marks from a teacher. And so I really wanted to find a solution that would help. And the solution that I came up with differed for different children. And the reason was my son George gets a reader and a scribe in formal exams. So it made perfect sense for him to learn how to dictate. Whereas my daughters are not as severely dyslexic and don't get a reader and a scribe in exams. So if I taught them to dictate, they could become reliant on it and not get good at touch typing, which was what they needed to get good at to do well in formal exams. So I didn't want to create a dependency on something that maybe they couldn't have later on. So my girls really learned to touch type well, and they helped me teach touch typing, whereas my son has never really got on that well with touch typing because he didn't have to. Although I do think everyone should learn to touch type.